KiaTache and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting, like all of my other unboxing videos. Today is an unboxing video. I got another new bag and I'm so excited. Alright, so let's just get straight to it. Alright, so I recently went on a trip to Vegas, and for some reason every time I go to Vegas I feel like I have to get a new bag. Like every time. I don't know why, but it's just a feeling. Does anybody else feel that way? Anyway, so I've been wanting another bag with silver hardware. So I was on a hunt. I looked in Balenciaga, I looked in Louis Vuitton, and I looked in YSL. And here we are. So I'm just going to get straight to the point in this video. It's just going to be a simple unboxing. Also, I've been home from Vegas for like a week now, and I'm just now unboxing this since I left Vegas because I did not want to open it without filming this video. I wanted to do a true and honest unboxing. So because I love you guys, I had to wait to adore this bag. But alright, so here is the box. It is beautifully wrapped. And this is my second YSL bag, so excited. I'm just going to slide this off. Put that back in there. Oh, and obviously it comes with the envelope with the receipt and the business cards and all of that. And I got this from the Crystals shops at Aria in Vegas. I highly recommend Crystals if you go to Vegas. It's located in the Aria Hotel, one of my favorite hotels in Vegas because it's my daughter's name, Aria, and also I just love it. It's such a beautiful hotel. Alright, this box is so, y'all know how I be doing these videos, like just opening it, it just gives me so much joy. It's just so beautifully packed too. Like the black is my favorite color, as you can see. Well, one of my favorite colors, and I mentioned that already, but you'll see soon. Okay, then they got the tissue paper in there, and then here is the bag, and it's dust bag. OMG, OMG. Okay, this is really wrapped. Okay, so sneak peek, you can see I got another black bag. My other YSL bag is also black. Oh. And here she is. She's so beautiful. OMG. So freaking up. Let's see if I can get this off. Oh my gosh, this bag is just gorgeous. Look at this bag, so gorgeous. I love it. I'm going to show y'all some more. Oh, I gotta keep my cool, y'all. And I'm going to wear this bag tonight because I have an event to go to, so I'm going to wear this. Ooh. Okay, be right back because I gotta get this stuff off. Alright, I'm back. I finally got the bag completely unwrapped except for the little blue film that is on this button here, but other than that it is completely unwrapped and it is so beautiful. This bag is such a classy and beautiful piece. So this is the KiaTache YSL. Actually, pause on that because I have it right here on my phone. On the tag it doesn't have the full name. Alright, so this bag is the Saint Laurent or YSL envelope medium bag and mix KiaTache grain embossed leather. And this bag retails for $2,250 before tax. And again, when I'm telling you the price of a bag, it's not like, oh my gosh, I'm spending this much on bags. That's not what I'm doing. It's just for me to tell you guys in case you're interested in purchasing the bag yourself. But yeah, so here is the bag. It is so beautiful. And KiaTache means quilted in French. So beautiful. So a close-up. Here is a close-up. This bag is just so beautiful. You can see the quilted print And it has a side pocket on the back. I love that. And then the beautiful YSL gold hardware. I mean silver hardware. And then you just open that up. And it just has one big opening inside with a little back pocket. So it's a little different than my Lulu, but it's also very similar. And then I just love the silver hardware. It's just so pretty. I love it. It's very, very pretty. And I wanted more silver hardware because when I wear like my real like diamond jewelry and stuff, I just wanted like silver to go with that. Because I still wear like, you know, like costume jewelry from Aldo Accessories and Forever 21 and stores like that, but I also have my real jewelry too. So when I want to wear pieces like that, I love wearing silver hardware to complement it. So here is that bag, and I'm just so excited she's mine. She is a stunner. She is beautiful. I absolutely love this bag, and I'm so excited to wear her. Tonight's going to be my first time wearing this bag, so stay tuned for a review on this bag and a comparison between this and my YSL Lulu, because again, they are very similar, but they're also very different at the same time. So stay tuned for those videos. Again, here's my new baby. She's so pretty. I love her. Hey, girl. All right. And also, you guys are probably like, why does she have such dramatic makeup? I am going to an event tonight, like I mentioned. So, yeah, that's why I have a full face makeup done right now. But, all right, there's that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Before you leave, I just want to give you a quick word of inspiration, and I always like to give you like an honest message that's on my heart. And right now I just want to touch on being the better and bigger person. Sometimes we may find ourselves in situations to where others may be being negative, petty, childish, whatever you want to call it. Sometimes we may find ourselves in those situations. Always remember who you are, and most importantly, remember whose you are. Okay, I'm gonna say that again. Remember who you are and remember whose you are. Okay, y'all got that? Don't let it go over your head. Remember your worth. Remember who you serve. Remember who you are representing. And I know sometimes it's hard because we get into situations that may frustrate us or bring us a little out of our character. But just know that being a bigger person pays off in the end, and it makes you look better as well. Like, okay, y'all can go ahead and act like this if you want to, but I'm going to carry myself like this. You're already 5 levels ahead of whomever is acting beneath that, okay? So I just wanted to put that out there. Don't let anyone bring you out of your character. Don't stoop down to any of that negativity. Just focus on things above, always. Alright, and smile queens, y'all are beautiful. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Comment down below if you like my new bag and what other videos you may want to see from me in the future. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, duh guys, don't forget that. Also, follow me on social media. Connect with me on Instagram. Some of y'all reach out to me on Instagram, and I love that. I absolutely love talking to y'all. So follow me on my personal Instagram, KiaTache, and follow me on my luxury Instagram, KiaTacheLux. Alright? And I'll see y'all soon. Thank you for watching. Love y'all. Bye.